made by the glass, when we put it down, it will kind of crack. But sometimes cup can be made by plastics. Sometimes if you put this cup plastic, we put it down, it still will crack. So it's still the same thing. It's not changed like a cup that's made by the glass, you know? Because the plastic it's very kind of, cannot crack it. It's hard to crack. Like plastic bowls, plastic cups, and some kind of more plastics. Any kind of plastic, like plastic bottles, you know? Next is when you burn wood, it will change into ash. Actually burn, after we burn that, after we burn and turn black, it's kind of a little bit hot, but when you cool it down, it's warm, right? And it turns to be ash, it cannot cold, or it cannot stay cold, okay? It only can a little bit hot, or it can be warm. Next is, you can mix things in a mixture. A mixture is two or more kinds of put together. When you mix solids, we put solid on the liquid. Then we mix it. Then we mix. It will disappear. Look like it's bees. It's bees color. Okay, next, they don't change and they are easy to separate, but some mixtures are hard to separate. When you put a solid into a liquid, some solids will dissolve and make a mixture. If you put sugar on hot water, it will be hard to separate the sugar from the water. So, you know about that, you learn